When you dream up the perfect beach vacation, what are the must-dos? We must wiggle our toes in the sand and walk barefoot on the beach. Barefoot on the Beach has your beach. We must spend at least one day on the beach by a pool where the kids can play, with a margarita. Barefoot on the Beach has your pool on the beach and, check this out, moonshine margaritas. We must have at least one seafood platter feast, overflowing with fresh local fish, oysters, shrimp, and really awesome hush puppies. Barefoot on the Beach has your platter, big enough for two. And hey, want some gumbo and fried green tomatoes with that? Barefoot on the Beach, the perfect beach vacation all in one beautiful Barefoot Beach Club. Serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Open 7 a.m. Front Beach Road across from the Ocean Breeze Hotel.